Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today is Wednesday, May 13th, 2020, and here's what's on deck for science. Going to start with a recap from Monday. Monday was a review day. You completed an Ed puzzle to get you prepared for the quiz today. And the review focused on the standards for this unit. And the standards for this unit were structures and functions of plants. Remember the parts of the plant? Photosynthesis and respiration, how plants make food. They create food with a little help from the sun, water, and carbon dioxide. Our third standard is how energy is transferred from the sun to food chains and those more complex food webs. Remember, everything begins with the sun and how the sun allows the plants to grow. The plants become food for consumers, and we just mosey up and down that food chain. Okay. Our last standard is abiotic factors, those non-living factors, and how they affect the various biomes, like the tundra, the desert, the rainforests, the oceans, and the freshwater biomes. Okay. Today is simple. Today is short and sweet. I've uploaded a intro to biomes video. It's a 3-minute video. After you watch that video, complete the written response, which is attached into your classroom. It's a Google Doc. I want you to identify your favorite part of the video and just give us a 1 or 2 sentence explanation as to why that's the favorite part of the video. Hope you enjoy that video. After you're finished with the written response, go ahead and complete the Google quiz. Once you complete the Google quiz, you are finished for today. Today is a short and simple day. Shouldn't take you more than 25 to 30 minutes. Have a happy Wednesday. If you have any questions, please contact your teachers during their office hours. Have a good day.